I would like to say that I am strongly against CCE in replacement for the final exam-based system. We have heard, and it is beyond debate, that mugging is a basic criteria which our Indian society, which the Indian students are facing. So that is a personal attitude of the students, which is a basic problem of the education system. The CCE claims that it can change this, but I don't see how. I will give a hypothetical example. Suppose there is a student who has a tendency to mug things up. He will mug up everything by the end of the year and vomit it out on his examination sheet. What is the CCE doing? It is just disintegrating the same things and giving it in different examinations. What does this result in? Lesser things to mug up. What is the guarantee that the student will not mug things up? There is no guarantee. So what are we talking about, ladies and gentlemen? We cannot stop students from mugging just by making schemes like the CCE. Furthermore, I would like to say some statistics. Regarding the technicality of the CCE, it is very, very imperative that in a system with CCE should have good quality teachers. Because the teachers are essential, because they will be giving the 40% in-house internal marks. There is a huge scope for bias, subjectiveness and corruption in this system. Just imagine, if I am a school and I want to increase my reputation in the market, why don't I hamper with the 40% marks I am allotting to the students? It is very possible. Secondly, I would like to state that in light of this, the pupil-teacher ratio given by the Right to Education Act of 2012 has been given as 40.7% of the students, as only 40.7% of the schools today in India are meeting the pupil-teacher ratio. What does this mean, ladies and gentlemen? It means that 49.3% of the schools in India do not have the stipulated number of teachers. So how do we expect them to judge the students on this criteria? It is not possible. Secondly, the CBSE board, which has currently adopted the CCE scores evaluation system, had conducted an exam for training these teachers, for training the teachers and seeing what kind of method they actually have to teach the students in a new way. Because you cannot expect students to learn new things if you don't teach teachers how to teach new things. The results of this test were staggering. It is my painful duty to inform you that 8% of this, only 8% of the people who attempted for this test passed in the first paper, and only 9% of the people who attempted passed in the second paper. Now you might feel that the portion was very, very vast and whatnot. So let me just give you a gist about the scope of the questions that were asked. It was basically a multiple choice question system which had topics ranging from child development and pedagogy, maths and sciences, social sciences and 2 languages. That's all. That is all, ladies and gentlemen.